So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to share only one tab with someone in Google Sheets. So here in front of you guys, I just have an example sheet where I have four different tabs. I have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. And if you just were to go ahead to the top here and press share, you have to go ahead and title the spreadsheet. So I'll just go spreadsheet, I don't know, and then press on save right here. You can then go ahead and add people to the sheet, but what this actually does is it'll add someone to this exact sheet. So on this exact sheet, they'll then have access to every tab. So let's say, for example, you only wanted to share tab 3 with someone. The simplest way to do it is to control click or right click on tab 3, go to where it says copy to, and then press on new spreadsheet. What this will do now is I'm going to go ahead and open it right now. At the top, so I have this spreadsheet. If I were to go back here to this spreadsheet, right, there's all four sheets here. You go back to this one, there's only sheet 3. So now that I only have sheet 3 created, you can go ahead, press share right here, title the sheet, so I'll just go sheet 3, press save, add someone, press done, and now they only have access to the sheet that you shared with them or the tab that you shared with them. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to share only one tab with someone in Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.